Okay, we're in China, and in China everything is modern and next generation. And here in the West, we're just cavemen because we've never even seen a ramen bowl this big. Look at her head. Look at that ramen bowl. But this isn't your ordinary ramen bowl. Show us what's inside. Because this thing heats itself. And when I say that, I mean no microwave required. It heats itself. Oh
these
boy.
are the noodles.
Noodles.
¡Feliz Navidad, Grino! Noodles.
Okay.
This is the vegetables.
Okay.
We need this.
Random tray.
Your spoon and chopsticks.
Okay.
This is the meat.
Okay.
I don't remember where is this. And this is the packet I was telling you about.
So you add cold water to this, and it heats up.
Because you have to do this in order, by the way.
Okay, so these are the noodles. Let me see the noodles. Okay, just look like normal noodles. More like rice noodles. I don't know.
Okay.
They're noodles.
Next one.
Okay, here are the vegetables. What vegetables do they do in China? Bean sprouts? Mushroom, maybe? I'm gonna have a look. Oh, what a guess. Wow. Bean sprouts and mushrooms. Water chestnut or bamboo shoot? Oh, pretty good guess. Alright, next.
Meat.
Meat.
Yeah, next
What
one.
meat is this? Beef?
Honestly, I have no clue of what it is, but
Nondescript meat.
it's just meat.
Could be anything in there.
Actually, in the package says just put the meat.
Just put the meat,
It
okay.
doesn't say with. Well, unless my translator says.
Comida de perro.
Maybe.
It's dog food.
Maybe. No, I don't want to think about it.
Listen to her noodles, listen. That is cooking. Look, there's smoke coming
You have
out.
to wait for 15 minutes.
That's crazy.
Okay,
And
so we have this. So now we have
I'm so
to.
confused. Let me see the meat. Looks like jerky, but it's probably pork. But it does look like beef. So we'll say
Next one, my translator says is the substance.
great. That's like when we ordered a tea from that old lady and she gave us a mystery pill, which I think was like anise candy or aniseed candy. It could have been any kind of Chinese medicine. You had to eat the weird mystery pill before drinking the tea, though.
Yeah, the blue pill.
We call that a positive review pill. Then you're gonna go on Baidu and leave her a good solid review.
Okay, we put the substance.
I want to see the substance. Oh yeah, it does look quite substance-like. Oh boy, okay.
So we get the next step. So we need cold water. So
Okay, now I'm thinking this chemical thing goes in here, and then this goes on top. Is there a reason we don't have these in Europe or America? Because now I'm thinking there's a safety issue at hand.
So okay, next step, we have to fill the water up to the line. Is there?
Okay.
Right? So it has to be bottled water.
It has to be bottled water.
Yeah, well, that's what it says here. It has to be bottled water.
Okay.
So I'm just copying what it says.
Is that because the water here is not safe to drink?
Maybe, who knows?
Who knows?
Okay, we'll have the water now.
Okay, so the bottled water goes with the food.
And what we do now is we open this bag. This is the last bag.
Yeah,
this is the packet.
this is what we're waiting for. This mystery chemical bag. I mean, this is friggin' boiling. Can you see the smoke? I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but I mean, it's rumbling.
If I put my hand, you can see probably.
What it is?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, now we're gonna do this.
Yeah, this is like a hand warmer, but
Oh, I don't think we have enough water.
so when this will mix with the air or the oxygen in the air or something in the air, it starts heating up. But when you get a normal hand warmer, it's not boiling. It's not boiling like that. This is like rumbling. It's like boiling.
I need more water, but I don't have more water.
Okay, mystery Chinese sachet.
It says there.
Okay, so we fill the
And
water up to the line. Let's do that. Ah, so it's not mixing with the air, it's mixing with the water. Boom!
we got it. So now we put this on.
Well, maybe it doesn't mix with the water. Because this is
And
working like a steamer now. And that's it.
And then you close it.
And then 15 minutes. Holy crap! Okay, you can see that steam. Wow, imagine if you closed it too slow and you put a little hand in there. Okay, now we wait 15 minutes. We're gonna see what it looks like. This one's already been going for 5. And it's still going. Wow. I feel like a caveman. Unbelievable.
No more cooking.
Alright, see you in a minute. So while that's cooking, here is the thing we bought. It was the most expensive one in the store, and it was $2.50.
No, it was $2.
No, it was £2, which is $2.50. Yeah, 15 minutes. So maybe you can understand what's going on here, but
Merry Christmas.
alright. Well, see you in a minute. Well, this is what it came with. 2 mini chopsticks with custom handles. A spoon, a napkin, and the final reveal. Wow, look at that. Looks alright, doesn't it? Well, the chopsticks extend. It's pretty cool. And here is the food. Look at this.
The substance.
This is a gourmet ramen. Look at that. $2.30 ramen. Unbelievable. Wow. Let's have a look in the bottom to see what the thing looks like. Okay, it's still smoking. We left it maybe 40 minutes. It's super hard. It's like a rock. Yeah, it's almost like half a kilo or something, like a brick. Look at that. But yeah, the food, not bad. Pretty random, but it looks good. Have you ever seen that before? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's proper beef. Oh, hot. Spicy. Oh, very nice though. There's actually proper beef in here. Proper beef pieces. That's crazy. Wow.